It's nice to see you again, and now I'm going to review about flowering and non-flowering plants. So plants itself are classified into flowering and non-flowering plants based on whether they produce flowers or not. Okay? As we know, flowering plants, they will produce flowers and it will bear fruits. While non-flowering plants, they do not produce flowers. For sure, they're not going to bear fruit. Here are the examples of flowering plants. We have grass, rose plant, orchid plant, and hibiscus plant. While here are the example of non-flowering plants. We have moss, fern, conifer. Here we have pine and juniper. Moss and fern, they will grow from spores. Okay, they don't grow from seeds, but they grow from, or they reproduce from spores. Most plants are flowering plants. The flowers of plants such as hibiscus, orchid, rose, and tulip are big and brightly colored. The flowers of grasses are small with dull colors. Flowering plants may not produce flowers all the time. They produce flowers when they become a dark plant or only during certain time of the year. So they are not going to give or have flowers or bear fruit when they are still seedling or in young plant stage. Plants and animals, they are living things, okay, but they are different. As you already see on the previous video, plants and animals are different, but yet they depend each other for their survival. Plants, they depend on animals to help them in reproduction. For example, the butterfly or the bees, they pollinate the flowers of plants, and birds, they scatter their fruits and seeds. Sometimes birds take the seeds of the plants and they will drop it to another place, and on that place, on that different place, the same plants will grow. The next one, animals dropping make the soil fertile for plants to grow healthily. So animals dropping, or let's say animals feces, they make the soil fertile for plants to grow healthily. It will be something that nutrients the soil for the plants to grow. The next one is animals depend on plants for fresh air, food, and shelter. Here, plants, as you know, will give off the oxygen and they will take in the carbon dioxide. So here we can say that plants give off fresh air that needed by plants. They also give food such as fruits or leaves that can be eaten by animals. They also provide shelter for animals. It is for protection for the animals, for them to stay or as their home, as their shield, as their shelter. Okay, so here we already study and review about flowering and non-flowering plants. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Stay healthy, stay safe. God bless. Bye bye.